Hi, how are you? Today we'll draw a girl with a doll. Let's draw the hair first. We can begin it from drawing the U, the alphabet or the letter U. So U is like upside down, connected like here. Alright, this will be the hair. Little clamp on the hair, and it's the back side of the girl. We can draw like this. So let's draw a straight line, vertical straight line to here up to this. All right, now we can draw a line like this. Another line from here, it's the same, it's like the mirror from the other side, and connect it here like this. Okay, now let's put little bit here. It's like the belt and the skirt. All right, let's put the doll on its shoulder. Okay, it's a cute little doll. The nose of the doll and two eyes, the cute ears, and the part of the body on the other side. All right. We do little detail here of the skirt for the belt, for the hand, let's put some shades and the detailing. We see the hair from the back side. Also little bit more shade from here. All right, some shades on top. All right, let's put some shades on the shoulder. The hands are nice. All right, let's make the dress little little bit light dark. Here it's the skirt and the belt. All right, so the drawing is almost done. These are the little shapes for the dress. All right, I hope you guys like the video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and do the practice. Thank you so much. Have a good day.